It's time to play.
Chucky, it's not your turn yet. Get back. Hey everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to smash that subscribe button as well as give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it, pretty please. Don't forget to leave me any comments or questions down below, as well as hit that notification bell as we do have a ton of heat that I don't want you guys to miss out on. Be sure as well to check out that join button down below. That will basically give you all of our different tiers that we have if you are interested in becoming a Shade Gang member. Also, we've got lots of new merch out, and yes, we've got some hoodies back in stock, so be sure to check those out before they do sell out. As you guys had probably already noticed, that's right, Chucky was trying to steal the show. Oh my gosh, what a creepy freaking doll, right? God, it's like I gotta keep my Supreme knife on me at all times. You just don't know if he's gonna hop out and jump out of the box right in front of you and stab you or something.
How you've grown.
Yeah, I know you hear what I'm saying. I can hear you whispering down there. Freaking creepy doll.
Just can't keep a good
All
guy
right.
down.
Now, while he is quiet, we're going to get through some of the items I was able to cop today. And let's talk about this morning. How did you guys do this morning? Let me know in the comments below. It was a little tricky this morning. I definitely had some payment declines, but I managed to get a Cross Bogo logo tee in the red. Snowy, brisk day here in New York City, but nothing feels better than walking through the snow after the first day of the snow falling. But they did a great job with the sidewalks, actually. There's definitely salt everywhere. And now it's time to go to Supreme. Hopefully I don't fall on my butt. So, you know, another color to add to my collection, but as far as the in-store goes, we also were able to cop the Cross Bogo logo in the black, which I love because black, as you guys know, I love me some black and sometimes dark gray.
I only work in black and sometimes very, very dark gray.
So I can wear that pretty much with everything and anything. As far as the hoodie goes in comparison, obviously this is a $38 tee, so you're not going to get that prime embroidered detail that you get on the hoodie. So it is a little bit on the cheaper end. I was actually just staring at the two tees that I got on the rack over there, the Bear tee and the Supreme one. The Bear tee, for some reason, is actually maybe 2 inches longer than that box Cross logo tee is, and I'm not quite sure why that is. The length of the sleeves as well on the arms, those look quite a bit longer as well. But those are also both mediums, so they should be close in comparison to size, but for some reason the shirts are pretty different. And I would say that the Bear tee does seem like it's a little bit wider in comparison to that Cross Bogo logo t-shirt. I would say that the Mariah tee, on the other hand, is closer in length and size to that Cross Bogo logo tee. And I was able to get this one in a black. This was pretty much the top of my list of items that I wanted to cop today. And I have always been a big fan of Mariah, and I just love the fact that they have like her original Christmas album image on this tee with the note. Yeah, that's right. Let's get into that shade. That's right. That's a woman on a Supreme tee. Oh, and I'm pretty sure that Supreme also had her give a shout out as well.
Hey Supreme, sending love, peace, and happiness to everyone this holiday season. Don't get carried away under the mistletoe this year, okay? Happy holidays.
I guess Supreme is maybe potentially for women. I don't know. I don't know why they would put them on the shirts if they didn't think that women could potentially wear their product. Call me crazy. And also I noticed on the lookbook, we have a woman on the skate team in some of the lookbook pieces, which I am like, yes, Supreme, yes, ladies representing. And if you go to her Instagram page, you can see that she also does some modeling as well. So pretty cool, pretty exciting to see that in the lookbook this week. All right, so last but not least, I got the Bear tee in the white colorway. And this came in a different kind of color combo than some of the other tees came in. This has like a red, a brown, and kind of a yellow naturalish color to it. Again, it is a bit more oversized of a fit in comparison to the Mariah Carey tee as well as that Cross Bogo tee. Just for sizing measurements, you guys should probably know that. And as far as the pricing goes, the Mariah tee for some reason was a bit pricier. It was $48 and those two tees ran for $38. All right, next up, I was able to manage to cop a new Era Balaclava. As you guys probably have heard or seen, it snowed in New York. So we got some snow, we got some brisk wind, and this is definitely an essential piece to have out here in the wintertime. It's very thin, surprisingly. I did think it would be a little bit on the thicker side, but you can kind of see the stitching there and how you can see through it. It's not as thick as I had potentially thought it would be. And we've got that new Era branding on the side there on the embroidered patch. Now we've got the nice Supreme logo right there. And it fits pretty snug, so definitely kept my face warm when I was shooting outside. This ran for $48. And again, this came in a few other colors, the purple, the green, the red, and gray. And I decided to get it in black because black pretty much goes with everything. All right, should we bring him out? Is it time to bring the man, the myth, the legend himself? Chucky. That's right. We managed to cop a Chucky doll, and as you can see, we've got the Chucky with the Supreme branding underneath. I can't talk. Supreme down here with Chucky again. He wants you for a best friend, age 15 plus.
My friends
Warning:
call me
choking
Chucky.
hazard, small parts, not for children under 3. Good to know. And we've got him dressed in different apparel on the side. Chucky, he wants you for a best friend. And on the back, it does have this like try me, but I don't know, it kind of looks like a trap. So I'm not going to stick my hand in there. I'm probably just going to go the other way, but I can't really feel anything. Yeah, there's like nothing to press here. Just kidding. You can grab my hand. Hi, I'm Chucky. Let's play. Let him share your secrets. Chucky, he wants you for a best friend. All right, and again, we've got him in some new outfits on the side, same thing. And let's take him out of the box. See what he looks like. All right, coming out, mister. I know you've been wanting to come out all day.
Tampering with the mail is a federal offense.
Look at that. Looks like we've got some instructions as well. Switch Chucky on to hear all 6 phrases. So it looks like Chucky has an on button on the back that we need to switch on. Chucky is switched to try me by default when shipped and displayed in store. Chucky will only say 2 phrases in try me mode.
Amazing, isn't it?
So, looks like we have a little knife that comes with him. And yeah, that's classic. It's not like our real knife, but it's pretty similar actually. I mean, you know, not really, but definitely want to keep him with that plastic knife probably. All right, Chucky, let's just grab you out of here. Let's see, take him out. You know what? I think he's actually hinged on here from the back. So, tied through here. Wow, he's really like
gonna be
lodged in here, and I really just want to press you, but
You know what they say.
there we go.
You just can't keep a good guy down. Time to play.
Did you guys get that?
You know what they say. You just can't keep a good guy down. Time to play.
All right. So he's got that sweet, charming voice, it sounds like, Chucky. And look at his overalls, you guys. These are like really quality overalls, actually. It's got the Supreme logo going on, some nice detailing here. This is embroidered and stitched quite nicely, actually. The Supreme Box logo. And he's got some swag going on the side of the arm here, too. Look at that, Supreme. And it looks like we've got his hair kind of stuck in position quite nicely. Nice hair going on there, Chucky. Take a look at his backside. So this is actually where I was pressing the button.
You know what they say. You just can't keep a good guy down.
All right. I see. Okay. And then let's see, what else do we have here? Chucky requires, you need some 3 LR44 button cell batteries. To replace batteries and remove battery cover located below, push button. So it looks like on his back is where you switch those batteries in and out. Other than that, it looks like that's all the instructions that comes with our Chucky doll. So we're just gonna put that back in there. We'll put your knife back. I know. We're not gonna take it from you. Is that the way it was in? I feel like it was in the other way. Maybe not. Yeah, it was that way. Maybe. All right. Chucky, you're going back in the box, my friend. I know you don't want to, but we'll put you back in to leave some space.
I'm one of the most notorious slashers
Quite nicely in there. That's a lie. All right. All right, now let's go through some of the sellout times for the items today. I'm wondering what sold out first. I mean, I already kind of know what sold out first, but definitely was a little different in the US from the EU. All right, so we've just got some numbers. It looks like they didn't put the times this week, but the Mariah Carey tee in this colorway in a small sold out the fastest, followed by this same shirt, but in that light purple. Then the Cross Bogo logo tee and a purple in a size small went, followed by Chucky as number 4. Then the Cross Bogo logo tee in the olive colorway, as well as the black followed that, and the white and the purple in an XL. Then the Mariah Carey tee in a light pine in a size small, followed by the natural Cross Bogo logo in a small, then the Cross Bogo logo XL in the black. Then the 12th item was the Mariah Carey tee. So it looks like people went pretty crazy for the Mariah Carey tee, as well as the Cross Bogo logo. The Chucky did very well, and those are the top sellout items for this week. Now let's talk about resale. Let's see how some of these items are currently doing on the resale market. All right, so let's start with Chucky. Chucky retailed at $120, and resale currently is going for $265. My man. Can make a little money on you. So the Balaclava in black, which went for $48, is going for $68. The Cross Bogo logo tee went for $38 retail, and currently the black colorway that I have is going around $125 to $200. The purple is doing the best. Some sizes are going over $200, and the natural is by far doing the worst, and it's going around $120. Then we have the bear tee, which in the white and gray, which are the colors that are doing the best, are going around $66, and that retailed again for $38. And the Mariah tee, which retailed at $48, is currently going for $100 in the black, as well as the pine. So those two colors are doing the best so far. And then we have white and purple, which are going for around $85. All right, there you have it, you guys. I hope you were able to cop lots of items this week. Let me know if you copped anything or if you just took a pass. And if you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like, pretty please. It means a ton to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell as we do have a ton of heat coming out. Don't forget also check out that join button as we do have a ton of member perks that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as our merch that just got restocked. All right, you guys, again, this is ShadeTV. My name's Marissa Hill. Thanks for tuning in. We will catch you on the next video.
We never get peril, ba la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, ba la 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 la. See the blazing Yule.